You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man? What you got in there? I got two Crossfire C7 V3 18s on a Stetsom 21K. I have pretty much all DS18 mids and highs on a Sound Digital 3K. Yes, sir. We're tuned to around 25, 28 hertz. I don't really know what it plays because we just built it the last 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, y'all so got it on in here.
Yeah, we're just playing with music right now. I found a couple of things that do good. I wasn't prepared to meet somebody like Fort. So.
Oh, you all good?
Nah, you're cool, man. You're one of the cool YouTubers that
man, I try to be,
you stay on our level.
Yeah, man, that's the main thing. You gotta still be a bass head and get in with the community.
Even when you got big, dude, you didn't change.
Man, you just stay the same.
That's all we can ask.
Appreciate it, man.
And don't lie to us on camera. When you mess up, just show us. Mess up, just show us. All right, here we go. 25 to 55. Here I am. Can't get out of this. You can't help me. No one can. I got 4 Super Beasts.
Okay.
I got 4 Super Beasts on a JS 400 and a JS 200.
Well, so you got 3,000 watts per amp, right?
Yeah.
Was it one per cord?
It's wired at about 4 or 5.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's on a whole bunch of mids and highs.
Okay, so it's running. And on the subs, you got those.
They're wired at like 1.4.
Per
I
station.
have dual ones wired up and then wired down, so it left it with weird envelope for some reason.
That's those little amps you got back there. Was it a little bit amp?
No, that's the amp right there.
Okay. Okay. Oh
yeah, that's Stetsom right there. Is on the sub.
Oh, you got a big amp. I was wondering what you meant. I didn't see that at first.
I usually have 3 of these in a 6th order. But I lost a sub, I lost a Smart 5, I lost 16 mids and highs 2 weeks ago.
Everything just went. All at one time.
Yeah, let's play something that's a little fun now. Let's not play something so serious.
Oh, that thing all right there.
We don't like leaving on serious. We gotta play something jams, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, so we can have a good time.
Always gotta play something controversial.
Oh yeah, that's what we gotta do.
You're about to get rustified.
Right there, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
That was awesome to meet you, man.
I've
always wanted to give you a demo.
Man, I try to see everybody. If many people some people I recognize sometimes, but you know, you go to so many shows, or if you don't see them like how we met there, you don't really realize unless you see them in person.
Unless you see them in person.
Yeah.
I'll remember this forever.
Man, I'm definitely remember this. Not only this, that 21K right there.
Yeah, we're just gonna throw on some test tones. You can smell them a little bit.
Okay.
I mean, you can imagine that amp on 1600 watts up.
Man.
But they
only
took
1600 watts?
Yeah.
What kind of audio again?
Those are Crossfire C7 V3s, and I got the amp set at about 110 volts at like 1.4 ohms.
trying to take it easy on that big ass.
Well, like I said, I usually run 3.
Okay, you down?
If you hear, well, if we get lucky enough to be here next year, you have to come check it out. We're gonna do a 6th order.
Y'all gonna? Wow, yeah, you coming our way up?
No, I'm gonna probably come about halfway. I'm gonna try and make it a slide in, so I don't gotta build it in the car. I got kids, so
I do too. That's why I like to keep that trunk if I can, a little bit of space.
I can still put my back seats up and play. And,
that's the most important thing.
Kids, man.
You want to be able to get where you gotta go to, you know.
And if I can keep my kids in here, keep my little kids involved in the habit.
Yeah,
keep them enjoying.
That's what I try to do. I got that other number building. I kept the 2nd row in, so hopefully it'll work. I hope so. I kind of DIY'd it.
I built all this in 2 weeks by myself, no help. My son helped me here and there lift stuff.
That's what we did out in the yard, and I kind of feel like it's okay if you can pay somebody. That's cool too, but I like to kind of DIY to keep me grounded a little bit,
Yeah, that's why I like this half of the parking lot. I mean, over there we can go see anywhere. I want to see what the average Joe can build in his garage or backyard or.
What you put your work into. Like you said, you spend a little money, which is okay if you don't mind.
Yeah.
But if you put your hard work into it, that's what I really like.
Scars and stuff to prove.
Yeah, it'll last a week or two, but we'll be all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it was good seeing you, brother.
Great meeting you,
Let them know where they can follow you at, man.
I got a friend. If you want to follow anything I do, it's on Mark Woods 212.
Oh yeah, I know Mark Woods. Yeah.
So you've seen Boombox. I used to have a Ford Edge.
Yeah.
I'm sure you've seen it.
I remember
on
seeing it on that. I met Mark, I think, out here last year.
Yep. I was with him. That's the first time that we really.
Yeah, ran across.
He was busy last year.
Yeah, I was talking to somebody, and Mark was talking, we was all talking. Yeah, that was it.
And I was trying to get back. I competed last year, so I had to get
back to the line. Yeah.
This year I wanted to give smiles.
Yeah, that's the most important thing.
That's what we want to do.
I said, we can go and have a good time. We're going to remember this.
I'm going to remember this forever,
I'm good seeing you, brother. Let me leave you one of these. And
yes, that's what I want.
Yes, sir. Good seeing you, brother.
If you want a really good demo, getting that right there. That's got 2 Avatar SBL 18s in it.
Okay, I'm gonna go right now. Thank you, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.